Hi guys, it's me Annie and welcome back to my channel Teens Under Christ, where I post weekly videos about what it is like to be a Christian child, give you guys some exclusive tips and tricks on how to live a faithful life, and most importantly, I do Bible studies and devotionals with you guys. Guys, I have some important things to tell you before we start. First of all, on my channel, I made the ability so now all of my videos tienen subtítulos en español. Todos mis videos ahora los pueden ver sin problemas de que no lo entiendan, because now all my videos have Spanish captions. So, you're welcome. Second of all, I'm sorry if you guys hear a lot of noise and you see my camera shaking a little, because my brother is around here and he is playing a lot right now because he just woke up from his nap, awake. And if you see the camera shaking, it's because he's moving the tripod, but don't mind that. And so without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Okay guys, so today's video, if you haven't already noticed by the title, today we are going to be making s'mores. But don't worry if you don't have fire or a fireplace, because I don't either. So now this is a way you can make s'mores at home without needing a fire. All you need is an oven. So what you will need are normal ingredients needed for the s'more, but if you don't know where you get normal ingredients for a s'more, I got these honey graham crackers from the Dollar Tree. You need some Nutella. I got this from Target. Marshmallows from Target too. But you guys don't have to go and buy these items at Target or anything like that. You can buy this stuff wherever you guys find it, and wherever it's easier for you. Literally every place sells this, so you can just go and buy it. I'm using Nutella because I prefer my s'mores with Nutella more than chocolate. I don't know why, it's just something I prefer and I like. So you can use chocolate, but I am using Nutella. Now what you will need is an oven and a baking pan or like a baking sheet to, like when you're cooking it, it doesn't dirty your oven. So I'm gonna show you guys the process now. It's really easy. Okay guys, so now you can see me. So first what you're gonna need is graham cracker. And s'mores graham crackers usually do come in a rectangular shape, so you do have the lines for you to cut it in half. And I am going to make, I'm gonna make 6 s'mores. Okay, so now I have them all laid out. And now what you're gonna do is that you are going to put 1 marshmallow on top of each of them. Okay guys, so now that I have them on top, I'm gonna go ahead and put them into my oven. Okay guys, so they're not all into my oven. Also, make sure you separate them a little, like that they don't melt into each other, and then it's gonna be harder to take them out. Okay guys, so since I've never really made these, I'm kind of going to guess the time. I'm pretty sure it's not a lot because we don't really want the marshmallows to melt over. We just want them to kind of roast a little on the top. So we're going to do it on medium heat is where we're going to start. So 350. We're going to do toast. And I'm going to put the timer for 10 minutes, even though I am going to keep an eye on them because I don't want them to get burnt or anything. So I'm going to put them in for 10 minutes. Oh, and close the lid. See you in 10 minutes or less. Okay guys, so since they are in the oven, I am going to go ahead and I am going to put the chocolate on my graham crackers. I'm going to go ahead and put the chocolate. Okay guys, so I've cut them all up and now I'm gonna put them in towards like the back side. Let me like turn this off like that, you guys can see what I mean. Okay, so like this is the back side and this is the front because it has all the little holes, and this is the back because the lines are not that defined, neither are the holes. Okay guys, so I've just been cutting this and I've noticed that the oven, like the marshmallows are getting pretty golden, so I'm gonna leave them in for a few more minutes to the I'm sorry for the light. My little brother likes to play with the control remote of it. So if the light apparently turns off any moment or the camera is shaking a lot, it's because of my brother. Okay, so the Nutella. And now I'm gonna go and spread it all over. And if you guys don't like chocolate, then you don't have to put on chocolate. Because I live in a family where a lot of people don't like sweets. Okay guys, so it's literally only been 3 minutes and they are ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. Be careful, and if you can have a parent be supervising you, my mom is right there in the kitchen and in the island just watching me, so that's why I'm doing this, but be careful. Okay guys, so my mom is gonna help me take them out of the oven because they are super hot, but they are so golden. Be careful with them because they're kind of like really hot glue. So be super careful with them. And since I haven't finished with my Nutella, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the Nutella and let these cool down. Be careful where you place them. Like, make sure it is child friendly, because I can't put them in a place where my brother can easily reach them. So we're just gonna leave them on top of the oven while I keep working on my Nutellas. So I'm gonna keep on working with them. Thank you, Mom. Okay guys, so that was super quick. It literally took me like less than a minute. So right now, make sure your area is cleared and make sure, also make sure guys that when it's in the oven, nothing flammable is around, no like plastics or no cartons. Make sure of that. So now I'm gonna clear the area to bring down the pan. Okay guys, so these are the marshmallows. So literally what you're gonna do is, oh my god, they're super fluffy, is you're just gonna put the cookie on top of it, like so. That's how big they are. So now I guess I'm just gonna grab one.
You got it.
Wow. Ooh. Okay, and I'm gonna place it on the plate. Wow guys, this looks amazing and delicious. It's super fluffy and like sticky. Look at that. And these are literally marshmallows you can make at home, and you don't need, this is literally proving that you don't need a fireplace and you don't need like something fancy to make something delicious. It's really good guys. The recipe is really easy to make. As you guys can see, like the maximum you can take on this is like 5 minutes. Like this can literally be done in like 2 minutes, and I made 6. So if you're making one for your own, this would take about like probably like 2 to 3 minutes to make if you're making just one. So this was delicious.
You said that for parties, right?
Oh, it's ideal for parties or sleepovers or movies. If you're having a movie night with your family or a game night, it's ideal. Or if you just want to have a nice snack for yourself. And if I didn't already tell you, there isn't really an exact time to put them in the oven. I did put them on my oven at 350 at toast for 10 minutes. But 10 minutes was not, it was a lot. These were literally done, since marshmallows are so delicate, they were literally done in like 2 minutes. So if you have the opportunity to put on your oven 2 minutes, do it. I didn't really know the exact time, so that's what I put on there, but I see these are really easy to make. What do you think? You like it?
They're really delicious. So good.
What do you do? Where do you make them again?
Absolutely.
Okay guys, so there you have it. This was like literally a 3-minute recipe to make s'mores, and it's really easy. Like I said again, you don't need anything fancy to make them. You just need an oven. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone you guys might be interested in making some delicious food. Once again, guys, I love you so much. Stay awesome and stay amazing and stay safe. Bye-bye.